Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. ArkBio's AK-3280 has achieved positive Phase 2 results for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. At the 400 mg dose, AK-3280 improved lung function by 209.4 milliliters, with a p-value of 0.002. Notably, the therapy avoided the gastrointestinal side effects commonly associated with antifibrotics. Phase 3 planning is now underway with the goal of redefining the current standard of care. PureTech's deupirfenidone slowed IPF progression in the Phase 2b trial, showing an 80.9% reduction in FVC decline compared to placebo, with a p-value of 0.02. The therapy demonstrated sustained benefit over 52 weeks, nearing the natural decline rate of healthy aging. With a favorable safety profile, it is now moving toward Phase 3. Endeavor's ENV101 showed significant lung volume increases in IPF patients, recording a gain of 142.3 milliliters, with a p-value of 0.014. Additionally, it is the first therapy to reduce pulmonary vessel volume in IPF, with a p-value of 0.0007. Deep learning imaging further confirmed its mechanistic action. Boehringer Ingelheim's nerandomilast met its primary endpoints in both IPF and progressive pulmonary fibrosis trials. It reduced the decline in forced vital capacity from minus 183.5 milliliters with placebo to minus 114.7 milliliters. NDA filings are ongoing across the United States, Europe, and China. Tolerability was similar to placebo, though some patients experienced diarrhea. AstraZeneca's Airsupra demonstrated a 47% reduction in severe asthma exacerbations in the Phase 3b Biopharma trial compared to albuterol, with a p-value less than 0.001. Patients also experienced 63% less systemic steroid exposure. The data supports a shift toward anti-inflammatory rescue approaches for mild asthma. Biopharma's rademikibart rapidly improved lung function, with FEV1 gains observed within 24 hours. The drug shows stronger IL-4 receptor alpha binding than dupilumab, without an associated spike in eosinophil levels. Efficacy was also noted in asthma patients with COPD-like symptoms. Recludix Pharmaceuticals has introduced a selective STAT6 inhibitor for asthma that matches the efficacy of IL-4 and IL-13 biologics in preclinical models. Unlike JAK inhibitors, the therapy avoids hematologic toxicity. Its mechanism is both reversible and non-degrading, offering high selectivity. Nuance Pharma's ensifentrine appliance excelled in a Phase 3 COPD trial in China. The treatment improved FEV1 by 110 milliliters over placebo, with peak gains reaching 174 milliliters and a p-value less than 0.0001. COPD exacerbations were reduced by 28%. An NDA submission in China is expected in the second half of 2025. Rialta Life Sciences RLS0071 reduced airway neutrophilia in patients with acute exacerbations of COPD. The therapy lowered markers such as myeloperoxidase and neutrophil elastase. CHIP cytometry confirmed the drug's cellular mechanism. Results from the Phase 2 trial are expected later this year. Insmed's brensocatib delivered consistent benefits in non-cystic fibrosis bronchiectasis across key patient subgroups, including teenagers, macrolide users, and those with eosinophilic disease. The treatment reduced exacerbation rates while maintaining lung function and quality of life, supporting broad therapeutic utility. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.